one more time, 'cause I wanna see it whenever I close my eyes. If I write it down and hold it close, would it give me this feeling whenever I need it most? Tell me it will always be like this. Promise that you won't let me forget. Into the morning, chasing the light, sure as the day turns into night. Tell me it will always be like this, just like this. Just like this. When we're far from home and the winds get strong, know that I'll keep us steady no matter the road we're on. We've got everything, the light of a million stars. And when you're next to me, all I want is to be where we are. Tell me it will always be like this. Promise that you won't let me forget. Into the morning, chasing the light, sure as the day turns into night. Tell me it will always be like this, just like this. Just like this. I don't know where I'd be without you. Was running through the dark till I found you. It feels like the first time that I'm breathing, feeling lighter than the wind. Now my world is spinning around you. Like the stars fall from the sky, like the sun waking up the night. You're the light in my darkest of days. You're the one pulling my heart awake. I'm falling you're standing here with me. Feels like the first time I can see everything is coming in focus. Like the stars fall from the sky, like the sun waking up the night. You're the light in my darkest of days. You're the one pulling my heart awake. I'm falling for you. I'm falling for you. And the time has come, it's all begun, now and forever. With open eyes, your hand in mine, now and forever. The time has come, it's all begun, now and forever. With open eyes, your hand in mine, now and forever. Like the stars fall from the sky, like the sun waking up the night. You're the light in my darkest of days. You're the one pulling my heart awake. I'm falling for you. I'm falling for you. I'm falling for you. I'm falling for you. I'm falling for you.
Ito to ang kasabihan sa inabahaba man daw ng prosesyon ay sa simbahan din ang tuloy. Mga kapatid, sina Jeric at Joby ay talagang naghanda para sa pagdiriwang ng kanilang pag-iisang dibdib ngayong araw na ito. At kayo po, Joby at Jeric, ay pinagbigyan ng inyong mga bisitang daluhan ng inyong pag-iisang dibdib. I guess yung inyong pagiging magkasintahan ay naglaan ng tunay na oras at panahon para masabi niyong wala ng atrasan. Okay ba, Jeric? Joby? Wala ng atrasan? So kapag natapos yung banal na misang ito, sakramentong ito, wala ng bawian ha? Hindi yan aandyan ng mga saksi natin. Families and friends of our dear couples, dear couple, this is their moment. Sabi nga nila, this is the moment they have been waiting for. And most probably, you have been waiting for. Kasi kilala nyo at minamahal nyo ang ating mag-iisang dibdib na sina Jeric at Joby. This couple wanted to tell us na wala na talagang makapipigil pa o makapaghihinto ng kanilang pagiging isa sa sakramento ng kasal. Sabi rin, ito rin yung right moment to begin to express in public, of course, with God, in their reflections, in their prayers, their great love for each other. So ngayon, in public, kasama yung mga saksi, masasaksihan talaga natin ang kanilang pagmamahalan. At hinihingi nila ang blessing or bendisyon ng simbahan sa pamamagitan ng sakramento ng kasal. At mga bisita, mga ninong at ninang, you are going to be the witnesses. Hiningi nila yung inyong panahon para damayan nyo sila ngayong araw na ito sa kanilang pagiging isa. Pero, sana pagkatapos, hindi pala matapos ang ating pagiging witnesses sa oras or sa araw lang na ito. Sana damayan talaga natin, samahan natin sina Joby at Jeric sa kanilang pagsasama panghabang buhay sa pamamagitan ng sakramento ng kasal. Hindi lang over a day ang pagiging witnesses ninyo. So you have to understand that. And I guess, hinayaan yung dumalo sa banal na pagdiriwang ito kasi mahalaga sina Jeric at Joby para sa inyo. Since mahalaga sila, pinapahalagahan nyo yung pagmamahalan ng ating dalawang mag-iisang dibdib ngayon, sana damayan natin sila ng ating panalangin araw-araw. Yaan po yung pinakamagandang biyayang handog natin, ni Father, ng mga dumalo sa banal na sakramentong ito para kina Jeric at Joby. In a little while, we are going to hear and witness the vows, yung pangako, kasunduan, panalangin ni na Joby at Jeric. The Lord will definitely listen to their prayers dahil ang ganda ng kanilang intensyon. Pero Jeric and Joby, sana as you express your vows or share your vows to each other, sana malinaw ninyong ipadinig sa Diyos at sa mga nakikinig o witnesses nyo ngayon kung ano ang mangyayari at ano ang gusto nyo mangyari bilang mag-asawa. We know that after this celebration, mababago ang lahat sa buhay ni na Jeric at Joby. Hindi na kayo dalawang individual, kayo ay isa na. After the sacrament, receiving the sacrament of matrimony. Joby and Jeric, syempre, di ba, pinagnilayan natin, pinag-usapan natin during your canonical. You had your pre-K na seminar, tapos rehearsal, confession, counseling na gusto rin nyo yung very intimate and solemn celebration ng inyong kasal. Si Father, medyo maarte. Gusto ni Father, bigyan pa ng kulay ang inyong kasal. So kaya si Father, naghanda ng isang awitin para sa inyo. And this song, hindi para magpasikat si Father, hindi para makilala si Father, pero para maintindihan nyo na every time na maririnig nyo yung awitin na ito, ay maalala nyo yung araw na kinasal kayo. Papansin talaga si Father, pero today, kayo ang dapat pansinin. Okay. Sabi ng isang awitin, ilang years na nga ba kayo magkasintahan? 4 years. So, tama to. Apo Hiking Society, sabi ng song, there I was, an empty piece of a shell, just minding my own world, without ever knowing what love and life were all about. Then you came, you brought me out of the shell, you gave the world to me, and before I knew, there I was, so in love with you. You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life, yes, I'm gone beyond existence. And it all began when I met you. Hindi naman celebrant, I can say that they are very much ready to receive the sacrament of matrimony. Kasi before today, tumanggap na sila ng sakramento ng kumpisal. So isa sa pinakamagandang sakramento na paghahanda para ang sakramento ng kasal ay maging buo para kina Jeric at Joby. Joby and Jeric, napakaganda ng selebrasyon natin ngayon. But as wonderful as it is to be here, do not be confused. This is a wedding ceremony na nangyayari. What makes a marriage is what's going to happen after this celebration. After the celebration, papaano at ano ang magiging paraan, techniques ni Jeric at Joby para ang inyong pagsasama ay maging panghabang buhay. What makes a marriage is what you will do tomorrow, the next days, weeks, months, and many years of being together. Sabi nga nila, a wedding celebration like this lasts only a day. But marriage, pagsasama, pag-asawa, ay panghabang buhay. Jeric and Joby, marriage is not just a contract. It is a sacrament. Your covenant with God. Your spouse is not just your choice. He or she is a gift from God para maging buo ang inyong pagkatao. Maaring si Jeric ang kukumpleto kay Joby at si Joby ang kukumpleto sa buhay ni Jeric. Your spouse is a gift of God. Treasure each other. Accept each other. Forgive each other. Comfort each other. Enjoy each other and grow together forever. Kaya Jeric and Joby, I am inviting you now to come and begin the holy adventure of your marriage by declaring your vows to one another in the presence of God and in the presence of God's people. You are creating a new story, a new book in your life or chapter in your life as one. And allow us to help you in your journey as Mr. Jeric Kosep and Mrs. Joby Kosep. Hinihiling ko ngayon na buong katapatan ninyong ipahayag ang inyong damdamin sa isa't isa. Jeric and Joby, bukal ba sa inyong loob ang inyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib ang inyong kabiyak na inyong pakamamahalin, paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Padre.
Opo, Padre.
Nakahanda ka bang arugain at palakihin ang mga anak na ipagkakatiwala sa inyo ng Diyos bilang mabubuting Kristiyano?
Opo, Padre.
Opo, Padre.
Jeric at Joby, gayong kayo ay nagnanais na mag-isang dibdib sa harap ng Diyos at ng kanyang sambahayan, pagdaupin ninyo ang inyong mga palad at ipahayag ang inyong mga mithing magtitipan sa banal na sakramento ng kasal.
Ako si Jeric, sumasang-ayon na maging kabiyak ka, Joby, alinsunod sa batas at mga alintuntunin ng ating banal na simbahan. Buong puso kong pinagkakaloob sa iyo ang aking sarili bilang iyong asawa at buong puso kitang tinatanggap mula ngayon sa kaginhawaan at kahirapan, sa karamdaman at kalusugan sa lahat ng araw ng aking buhay.
Ako si Joby, sumasang-ayon na maging kabiyak ka, Jeric, alinsunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan. Buong puso kong ipinagkakaloob sa iyo ang aking sarili bilang iyong asawa at buong puso kitang tinatanggap mula ngayon sa kaginhawaan at kahirapan, sa karamdaman at kalusugan, sa lahat ng araw ng aking buhay.
Jeric, maaari mo nang bigyan ng halik ang iyong may bahay.